everyone, today welcome to now one of the top tourist attraction in Narathivas flower.
Pacho Fall at waterfall with a high cliff. The word Pacho is a local Malay language meaning waterfall. At Pacho Fall, there are up to 8 levels of upstream water, one of the largest and most beautiful in the southern region. Is a tourist attraction in the forest park category that occurs naturally.
From a stone cliff about 16 meters high into a large basin during the rainy season. Pacho waterfall are most spectacular with enormous amount of water. It is a large waterfall of the Bodo forest that flow all year round. There are 4 levels of waterfall. The first floor is large and most beautiful.
There are many kinds of plants such as Kalohampo. There are varieties of rattan palm trees and forest animals, southern grasses, lemurs, orange crow pops.
Forest condition in this area is a complete evergreen forest.